I want boba today.
What kind? Like 奶绿、芋头
都可以，这两样我都喜欢。
Hi guys! Today I'm filming a what I eat in a day because my mom, it's her last day.
I like this plate.
Okay. Weirdo.
Wow.
Did you already eat breakfast?
Yes.
She took care of that herself.
I woke up 7:30.
That's very early. That's much earlier than I woke up. I'm gonna make some smoothies. That's what I usually drink for breakfast. I usually alternate between recipes. Today I'm doing the blueberry banana smoothie.
Yeah.
Fine. No, go finish your food. Do you think a magnetic bar exists for the dishwasher so that we have like a towel bar?
It probably does. It's an okay solution because it will touch the ground.
Yeah, I know, but that's
Hey,
better than
never-
this. Okay, hold We are gonna make some noodles. You want noodles?
Yes.
Some dry noodles? Yeah.
I like noodles.
But it's so hot today.
I like hot.
Why, you want your shin ramen?
Ah, yeah.
Really?
My favorite.
Are you sure?
Sure.
But I wasn't gonna make that.
Okay, whatever you like.
Okay.
But your hair changed. And I was like, yeah, I'm not wearing a hat.
Wait, she remembers what you look like?
Yeah. Show me photos of sweating, and then he scrolls to a photo of you, and he's like, oh, I know the guy. He's one of my friends. And then he was like, no, he's your patient.
Wait, seriously? Wow, she thinks that she's your friend?
She thought that's how he knew.
That's so funny. Maybe she has a crush on you. She's just very... I don't know, you're also kind of oblivious, so... Oh my god, my eyes are burning from these green onions. Ah! It's never happened to me before with green onions. Ah! Ah! My eyes!
Cookie's not supposed to be this anymore.
Where is it? Feel like... Someone's making us coffee. Wow, is it pretty? Let me see. it's pretty.
Yeah,
It's
it's good.
Wow.
Great.
Thank God. Noodles in there. I'm gonna go drain this. Get a little bit of salt. Sesame oil. Just these noodles. You can see that? Ready to eat! Okay. Rocks. What time is it now? Mom! Lunch is ready! Chloe, you're in my seat. Can I? Queen Chloe. Right here? And now I can put chili oil on it.
Good.
It's good? You like it? Are you saying the photo is good or the food is good?
Photo is good.
Oh, so the food's not good. I like them.
It's good, it's good. I think that's it.
Thanks. Wait, I managed to not get any sauce on my. Dude,
Dude.
I should go play the lottery.
吃完了
Wow.
Good job.
Whoa! That's the first time she's ever said good job to me.
Later that same evening.
哇，这一块敲起来好像很好吃，我给它敲一下，好像很好玩。
好玩吗？
这就是运动的肌肉 muscle， 很好啊，煮饭是很好的事，你煮饭越来越进步。OK, your turn.
They smell good. Is it yummy?
特别大块，我再一块给你好吗？
No. You have to finish it. What?
我也是在这里。
No! Mom!
没有切细，对啊，就 perfect。我很会切细，是这样。
Wow. 啪啪手。
High five。
Food's getting cold. How's the food?
It's so good. Is it good?
Yes, it's good.
Are you happy now?
Happy 啊
What's your favorite thing that you ate this time?
Kingfish,
Sugar fish.
sugar fish.
The sushi place?
Yes, reasonable price.
No.
It's good.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
What about Korean barbecue? What's your favorite Korean barbecue place? We went to so many.
他 birthday 去的那家
Oh, you like that place? What's that place called again?
short rib 非常好吃。
Oh yeah, the short rib street.
short rib Beverly Hill 那家没话说，它是什么都好吃，
什么？那我煮的嘞？
也很好吃。但
Which
是
one is your favorite?
有一天你煮的
担担面。
不是饭在下面，
Oh, is it kimchi fried rice?
不是，
No, no, it's the Japanese.
Oh, oyakodon. 鸡肉加蛋. That's your favorite?
那个不错，就是不够咸，不然可以。
可以. She won't say it's good. She just says that it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah. What about today's?
Tonkatsu 不错
Yeah. Not
crispy
bad.
and the meat chicken is tender.
Wow, your English is so good.
Learn from me.
Did you practice your English for your boyfriend?
No, you mean neighbor?
My handsome neighbor? That's now your
right.
boyfriend?
我应该去跟他 knock door.
跟他说你要回去了，
啊，对，
你要不要 kiss goodbye?
没有，我下次再来还会看到你吗？
Gross.
你在录影吗？
Yeah.
神经病。